Hello everyone, in previous tutorial we discussed about variable in C#. In this video we are going to discuss about typecasting in C#. Sometimes in our program, it is necessary to convert from one data type to another, such as from a double to an int. This is known as typecasting. In C#, there are two types of casting: implicit casting and explicit casting. Implicit casting is done automatically when passing a smaller size type to a larger size type. In this example we are doing automatic casting, int to double. Explicit casting must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. In this example we are doing manual casting, double to int. It is also possible to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods, such as convert.to-boolean, convert.to-double, convert.to-string, convert.to-int32, int, and convert.to-int64, long. You have already learned that console.writeLine is used to output, print, values. Now we will use console.readLine to get user input. In the following example, the user can input his or hers username, which is stored in the variable username. Then we print the value of username. The console.readLine method returns a string. Therefore, you cannot get information from another data type, such as int. The following program will cause an error. The error message will be something like this. Like the error message says, you cannot implicitly convert type string to int. Just now we learned about typecasting, so that you can convert any type explicitly, by using one of the convert.to methods. If you enter wrong input, e.g. text in a numerical input, you will get an exception or error message, like system.formatException, input string was not in a correct format. You will learn more about exceptions and how to handle errors in upcoming videos. If you have any doubts or suggestion, please let us in comments, and thanks for watching this video.